Adding your credit card to Apple Wallet, so you can use various things like Apple Pay and NFC payments, where you put your phone close to a device and it scans it and pays for you, or using your credit card in the App Store, things like that. It's pretty simple. First, you just need to open Apple Wallet or the Wallet app. Just type on or tap on the search, type in Wallet. Mine's right up here, so let's tap on that to open it. And then tap on plus at the top. Choose debit or credit card. And then tap continue. Now we have to have the debit or credit card in the frame of what it shows here. Like so. Of course, it's supposed to be the other side with the numbers, but I don't want to show you the numbers of my credit card. So I'll do that part off screen, and then I'll come back and we'll carry on the process. And if the scanning doesn't work, you can also enter the details manually right there. I've entered my details and press continue. It's contacting the card issuer. I don't know what it's checking, but various things, I guess. Here's the terms of service you're supposed to read in detail. I'm just going to agree. And now we're waiting a little bit. Adding to wallet. It's a good sign. Card has been added to wallet. Sweet. You can also add it to other devices if you want. I'm going to choose not to. You have to verify your card. So you either have a text message to your phone or you can call this number to verify. I'm going to choose text message. And it added the verification code automatically. That was pretty slick. I didn't have to go to the Messages app or anything. So here it shows the last transaction because I had this card on there previously. I just deleted it so I can show you how to put it back on. And now this card is going to be used for Apple Music in my case, and you can use it for various things. I use it for the Subway app. You can use it to buy things in the grocery store if they have Apple Pay, that kind of stuff. And when you're putting important things like this on your phone, you got to make sure your phone is scam proof. This checklist right here and step-by-step guide shows you some great settings to scam proof your phone, and it's free. Scan that QR code with your phone if you're on a TV, or click the link in the description down below and download this free guide. And after you've done that, check out this video right here, which shows you or helps you find out if your phone's being tapped, which is something you definitely don't want. So check out that video next. And if you got value from the video you're watching right now, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.